This is Intro to Google Calendar. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to create and add a calendar to our Google Calendar application. Follow the on-screen arrow to the plus symbol. We will click that and select New Calendar. Now we are on the New Calendar screen. We're going to add a name to our calendar. We're also able to add a description, the time zone the calendar is in, who the calendar's owner is, and any affiliated organizations. So I'm just going to add some information about the name and the description for this calendar I'm creating. I'm going to leave the time zones, owners, and organization columns as the presets. And once I'm done populating the information about my calendar, I will click the Create Calendar button at the bottom of the white box. It'll take a few seconds for Google to populate your calendar, and once it's created, a message will pop up at the bottom of the screen, and you will click the Configure button. Once your calendar is configured, Google will give you some options about the calendar, such as accepting invitations, giving permissions to other users, sharing the calendar with other people, adding general notifications or all-day notifications to the calendar, and just other ways to integrate or share your calendar. We won't get too much into this for this video, but if you're curious about any of these other features, this is where they are. One of the other cool features of Google Calendar is the ability to add calendars of interest to your existing calendars. So we'll click on the calendars of interest sidebar, and we're going to add our favorite NFL team schedule to our calendar. So because I'm from Washington, I will select the Seattle Seahawks. And once I've clicked that checkbox, the team is now added to my calendar. NCAA football teams also have their schedules on Google Calendar. So we can actually scroll down in the NCAA F category to find the Western Oregon University football schedule. And we will select the checkbox next to the team name, and that will automatically add the Western Oregon University football schedule to our Google Calendar. At the time of this video, the calendar has not been input by the team, so it won't be displayed on this calendar, but once it is added by the team, it will automatically show up on my calendar. So now you can see I've gone to September, which is the start of football season, and the football games that we added to our calendar are now showing up. Now, if we had input any other information or events into our other calendars, this would also show up alongside these events. Hopefully now you know how to create a new calendar using Google Calendar and how to add pre-existing calendars of interest to your display. Thanks for watching.